Hey guys, welcome back to All Things with Wheels. Today, I'm gonna be filming my Redcat Danche Ridgerock on its first crawler run. This is the first filmed crawler run. But guys, look at my location. It is just amazing. There's so many options of places to crawl. We're gonna be here a lot more with bashers and some more crawlers for sure. So let's start out with just some grass. There are some huge grass clumps, so it will be kind of hard for it. Ooh, look at that. Okay, it almost got stuck. Okay, this is a huge clump right here. Yep, it did it. Oh. Got tangled with grass. Come on, there we go. Now let's take it on some rocks. Under the electric fence. Yeah. Ooh, that was close. Just kidding. It is an electric fence, but it's not on. This barn, that barn right over there, is over 100 years old. So that means this land, some of this stuff is well over 100 years old, which is pretty awesome. Up the first rock, kind of struggling. Full throttle, yep, easily. Over. We've got lots of sticks here. Lots of sticks. Okay, I didn't really go over it, but yeah, that worked. I did it. Okay, let's take it down on the side of the river. There's some mud with some water. Crawlers in water are pretty fun. Okay. We got some algae right there. Let's crawl around it. Oh, look at those muddy tires. That's what a crawler is supposed to look like. I'm not gonna take it in the deep water because these are brushed motors, and no matter what brushed motor you have, they're not 100% waterproof. So just some light mud. How does it do with muddy tires? A lot less grip. Okay. Up and around. Okay, right over here, there's some rocks that are pretty interesting. I'm not sure what they used to be, but they definitely, you can see they're like squares. so they definitely used to be something. I'm not really sure what the heck they were, but, well, let's crawl on them. Come on. This is gonna be super duper tough, especially with these muddy tires. I don't think it has a chance, but this thing has definitely proven me wrong once before. Nope, I bet I could if I really tried, but I don't got time for that, so let's move on. And then we're gonna have to turn around because we're pretty far out. For this rock. Yep, pretty easily. Yep, oh yeah. Oh yeah, easy. Over the rusted iron pole that's buried in grass. Maybe, yes. These muddy tires are definitely not helping it at all. Okay. Come on, get out of there. Big old stick got jammed under it. Over. Yes. Something I forgot to mention, the Danche Ridgerock has like an 1.5 hour battery life on the stock battery, which is insane. How does it do going downhill? Hey, barely has any traction for these tires. Let's get some momentum. There we go. Over the horse turds. Oh, easy. This is definitely rough terrain, but it hasn't gotten stuck yet. See if we can get it stuck. Okay, right here. This is grass. Okay. I am crawling with one hand, which is kind of difficult, but I think it'll still be able to do it. There we go. Look at that. It's not even a problem. Yes, there we go. Okay, right on the edge of the creek. We're not gonna do it in the creek because you can see it's actually pretty deep, but there are a lot of rocks along the creek. Come on, you got this. Yes, there it goes. Here are the hard rocks. I have a feeling it's gonna get stuck over here. Okay, not even a problem. This thing is impressive. I thought it would get stuck on that. Okay, over this, it should do it pretty easily. Yep. Yep. And then between these two rocks. There are so many sticks that get jammed under the body, but this thing's got the power to break those twigs in half. Okay, so there's the rock patch here, and then right over there, there's another rock patch. This place is just huge and beautiful. So many places to crawl, and you see that massive field would be perfect for bashing. So this is not the last time you're gonna see this place. It's amazing. Full speed. Wow, look at that thing just rocket across the grass. Crawlers are not meant to be fast, just so you know. We got some really thick grass up here. Can it crawl it? Can it crawl it? Yep, that is thick grass, my goodness. Okay, these rocks, it's gonna get stuck. If it doesn't, I would be so surprised. Come on. Come on, it's got this. You've got this, Danche. Wait, oh, okay. Oh my gosh, guys. Are you seeing this? There. Holy crap, it just made it over that. So I definitely think I've made my point that this is the best budget crawler under $100. There's a link in the description below. We're gonna do a couple more things with this, and then I think I'm gonna close out the video. Drive it on top of that grassy rock right there. Really slow. Really, really slow. Ease it along, 4-wheel steer. Come on, it's got this. I do want to get on top of this rock though, but yeah, it's not gonna be able to do it. It's gotten stuck for the first time, guys. That's pretty crazy that it got stuck. Can't get off of this, that's the question. Pretty dang hard to. Got the bricks here. Yes. Oh my gosh, easily. Well guys, unfortunately I'm gonna have to end my video with the Danche Ridgerock. This video was a good long video. I hope you watched all the way through. If you have, that means that you enjoy my content and should really go check out some of my other videos. I have 3 of my favorites displayed around me right now. And go ahead and subscribe and drop a like while you're at it. If you wanna buy this card, there's a link in the description below. I would highly recommend. If you wanna see my unboxing, click on my left. And as always guys, I hope you enjoyed. Farewell.